Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base technique of Faucetpay. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from Faucetpay, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free right on our website, and let's get started. Right now I'm in my Faucetpay. Go to the Faucetpay, go to these, okay, and then after clicking, just click Ethereum. I have Ethereum. You can use any cryptocurrency you want. The Ethereum minimum amount is 10 Satoshi, and after that come here, put it to 1.5, and then increase this well to this much, and then come down and increase the beating amount to 250. Okay, not 250. Okay, and after that just click start button. Okay, this is one of the best because you can easily make much more Ethereum from this trick, and this is one of the safe trick. You can use it for beating, and this is maybe have a 4-time loss, not more than 4 time. Every time I beat in here is I just lost 4 time. Then this will be increase it, and this will be again, and this will be I have much more green light in here. You can see this all green, and the rate is very least, and you can see it is a 3 time, nor not for maybe more than 4 time I lose in here ever. But this is one of the best trick that you can use to increase your own Ethereum. Okay, just I take a one screenshot after maybe 1 hour. I will be tell you how much Ethereum I earn, but I just stopped the video because this is the one of the best trick you can use. You can use with your own, and you can just increase your withdrawal to reach the level. You can see this person after 8 or 9 hour, maybe less than 10 minutes, 9 hour, this person reward is $1,000. Okay, and this much reward points, and this much dollar, this much reward point. This is the all contest available in here every day, in the every 24 hours. And you can see the affiliate battle in here. This person make $400 per after 1 week from affiliate marketing affiliate. And just keep supporting me till I get the first one in here. After I getting the first one, I will be 100%. I will share with you your all the giveaway with you all the giveaway will be Dogecoin, because the Dogecoin price is right now very low, and Dogecoin and Torrent, the all giveaway will be. And you can see one time I lose a little bit higher, but all the time is a 3 or 4. You can see 5 times I lose it, but I have the management account to manage my account. And that's all the thing about the Ethereum. You can easily make much more Ethereum if you use this trick with Bitcoin. This will be very good. If you use it with the Bitcoin, that's your own thing. If you use it, you can maybe be the first one in here. If you have one Bitcoin withdrawal, you are 100% the first person to earn the amount. Okay, and that's the whole thing. You just click the live beat, okay, to show you the live beating in here. A lot of people go down and go up for this live content in here to make their amounts. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website. I will be sharing with you much more videos, but please subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe it, and please like this video and support me to I make much more video like these. And after 1 week I'll be sharing with you lot of websites so you can easily make $1,000 per month, and that's the 100% sure. And you can see lot of people making $1,000 per day. Okay, and this is the contest, a live contest. You can be participating here, but before participate you need Ethereum or Bitcoin, or you need Binance. Okay, this three cryptocurrency price is very high. You can use it, this three to you can reach the amount. Okay, I have least, I didn't use this trick much more time. If you want to use, and I will be share with you the day I want to win this uh, this is the first one. I love to have we be in the first one. You can see I regret this much BTC with this second. Okay, you can see this is one of the best trick to you can use Ethereum for this, and you can use maybe Binance, maybe you can use on Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin price is very high. This is a very high contest in here, and you can see the affiliate. I have this much affiliate. The first person have a 40 Bitcoin affiliate. That's very high, and you can use this trick for unlimited time. And thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for now.